let's talk to someone that I have, known for a long time. I've been fortunate to know her for a long time. She is like an institution in herself. जब भी इनसे बात होती है काफ़ी कुछ सीखने को मिलता है और she has been contributing a lot for towards the Indian culture in Houston, presenting the Indian Film Festival of Houston year after year. I am talking about Sutapa Ghosh, the founder and executive director of the Indian Film Festival of Houston. Hello, good morning, Sutapa. How are you?
Good morning, Vanshika. I'm doing great.
How is everything? It's been a long time ऐसा लगता है आपसे बात करे हुए.
Yeah, this pandemic has, made us like that. But नहीं, अब दिल के करीब हो तो बस और क्या.
अरे वाह, Sutapa, you made my day. No, but before I ask you about the festival, I must tell Houstonians how supportive, how encouraging you've been to me personally, and I really want to thank you for that. Thank you, Sutapa.
No, you're most welcome. We all have to, as friends, support each other. That's the minimum kindness we can show and to each other.
Absolutely. So, Sutapa, talking about today the upcoming International Indian Film Festival of Houston. तो आप मुझे बताइए, how did you think about this Indian Film Festival? How did it start? How many years has it been?
Right. It has been, this is our 13th year.
Mm-hmm.
But I've been a movie producer. I've produced some films directed by Rituparna Ghosh, and we did well. We got some national awards, some award in Berlin and Cannes and all that.
Wonderful.
So it was already there. And then in 2003, I was the founding board member of IFLA, which is the Indian Film Festival of Los Angeles. But I used to go to these different festivals with my movies, but I used to always feel that Houston was not ready. And then when Slumdog Millionaire happened, I took that opportunity. I said, hey, this is now, it has become a very international place. People are all getting more aware about the art and all this, culture and entertainment. So in 2009, we started the festival. So that's the background of the festival.
I see. So this year is going to be the 13th year for this festival.
Yes, it is the 13th year.
Wonderful. So this year, Sutapa, tell us about what can people expect about this upcoming festival, which is this year.
Well, there is always, it's a 2-day event. It starts from 4 p.m., ends at 9 p.m. We have documentaries, feature films, and short films. Mm-hmm. Because our festival is considered as an official competitive festival in the international film circuit, so we have an official process of submissions of films every year that cannot be old more than a year and that cannot be already released here. Mm-hmm. So we have, selected out of 66 films have been submitted this year, which is lower than previous years. It used to be over 80. We have selected few films, new documentaries, shorts, and feature films. Mm-hmm. We have very tremendous, feature films. Like this year is very special because it's very strong, women-oriented films we have.
Wonderful.
We have opening night, we have a film called Bittersweet, directed by Anand Mahadevan, who is a very reputed national award-winning director and actor.
Wow.
It's a true story of a woman who condemned the ritual of having to remove her womb and compared it to, to the dark slave ages of America. It's a very, it's a true story, and it still exists in in India.
India, yeah.
With the backdrop of, the sugarcane, sugar production industry.
I see.
So it's, how the women are victims of this and how it is changing entire future civilization. Mm-hmm. This is our opening night film. We have a very interesting film on the same night, which is our closing film for that night. It's called Ghar Ka Pata, mm-hmm. which is home address. It is about a journey of a woman who is it's an autobiographical account into the director's identity as a Kashmiri Pandit woman.
Oh.
Her family left Kashmir due to the armed, insurgency in 90s, and how it has impacted and her journey going back there.
Oh, wow.
Then another very significant film, which is actually very, very significant film, it's called Womb.
Mhm.
It's Women of My Billion. It's a heart-wrenching and heartwarming narrative of the flight dreams and rights, against the violence that unifies the women of today. It's a very common reality of living and navigating through this process. It exists, how this lady, Srishti Bakshi, quit her corporate job and everything and took this, journey, just walking 3,800 kilometers over 240 days from all over India. So, and there are several other films, but we also have entertainment. We always have a good cocktail reception. We have the food by Veranda Restaurant. We have the band by Muda Farukas.
Mm-hmm.
So both the days we have this format. So it's an entertaining night.
It's amazing. I can't wait. Whenever you get these movies, I want to tell all the listeners that when you go out to those movies, you always, when you leave that theater, you always come out thinking. That keeps your mind thinking. There's such amazing topics that Sudhapa personally picks and presents in front of you, in this festival. So congratulations for doing this year after year, Sudhapa.
Oh, you're most welcome. It's a very, thankful, feelings we have because our audience, our supporters like you, it's mind-boggling, how India is not just limited to Bollywood, and I'm not at all against Bollywood.
Yes.
But it's not limited to Bollywood, it's beyond. And India has so many languages, and all these movies are in different languages, but they all have English subtitles. But India has much more to, give.
Absolutely. And the lady that you actually spoke about, Bakshi, she actually happens to be my second cousin, and her mom is my mom's first cousin, my mom's cousin.
Wow.
Yeah, and
What a small world.
I know, right? And my mom actually just messaging me simultaneously saying that that's the one. So I was like, I should mention this to Sudhapa, and a pretty close relation.
Thank you. I will mention it to Srishti and Apurva.
Absolutely. Their mom, Shraddha, is, first cousin to my mom, Neera. So, yeah,
Okay.
and pretty close. So that's why I was so excited. I was like, no, when I hear it from you, I am going to tell you about this on air for sure.
Yeah, and you should be proud,
I am. Yes.
She's doing an excellent thing in
Absolutely. So, Sudhapa, before I let you go today, please tell us about the timing again, the exact date, the venue, and how can people get their tickets and be there?
All right. So the exact dates are October 22nd and 23rd. It's a Friday and Saturday. It starts at 4 p.m., ends at 9 p.m.
Mhm.
But you can choose, if you don't want to be there entire time, you can also choose different movies. It's at the Asia Society Texas Center. They're our partners, actually. And it's in the Museum District. And you can get the tickets from our website, www.iffhinc.org. Or you can even go to the Asia Society Texas Center website and get our tickets.
Perfect. So it is next Saturday, Friday and Saturday, October 22nd and 23rd. So next Friday, Saturday, October 22nd, 23rd. Don't forget, it's at the Asia Society Texas Center from 4 p.m. to 9 p.m. And like Sudhapa said, the easiest way is quickly log on to iffhinc.org and get your tickets today. Don't wait for the last minute, guys. आज ही खरीद लीजिए tickets and be there. Some amazing lineup of movies, and definitely support the Indian Film Festival of Houston. The more you support, Sudhapa is she works hard towards this. So we need to keep supporting so that every year we are able to see this festival. Thank you so much, Sutapa. Is there anything else you would like to add before we let you go today?
No, I just want to add, thank you, Vanshika. You're doing a great job. And it's so happy to see you doing this, because whatever you did before and what you're doing now, you're very best.
Thank
and you also work hard. So yeah, I look forward to see you at the festival.
I will definitely be there. Thank you, Sutapa. Good luck for the festival, and we will see you soon.
Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. That was Sutapa Ghosh from the Indian Film Festival of Houston. It is next Friday and Saturday, October 22nd and 23rd. And let me give you the website again. It is iffhinc.org. Go get your tickets and follow Indian Film Festival of Houston on Facebook for further details.